Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. My dog's getting noisy back there. I may have to put him in the other room if he keeps it up. But anyway, I'm getting ready to cook some delicious seafood fettuccine. So we're gonna have some shrimp. We're gonna use shrimp. We're gonna use scallops, and we're going to use, we're gonna top it off with some delicious lobster tails. So let's get started. I'm just gonna make a serving that's big enough for 2 people. So we're gonna get started right now. Once I put the dog in the other room. Okay, we got rid of the dog. She was making too much noise. I couldn't have that in the background. So put her in the other room. And now we can get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our garlic in here. It's really hot, feel it. Mix the garlic in this hot skillet. Then we're going to toss in the shrimp that I peeled earlier. So get those brown on each side. I mean, you know, done on each side, not necessarily brown. So I needed to use chicken stock. I didn't have any chicken stock. So what I used was I substituted with this Better Than bouillon. 1 teaspoon will equal 1 8-ounce can. So I used 2 teaspoons to make like a 16-ounce can. I need to put some more water in here because that's not enough water. So I'll be right back. So it's going to be really concentrated, which is okay. It's okay for it to be concentrated. All right, set this aside. I'm going to start flipping these shrimp over. Kind of slow. If my butter's all went to one side of the pan, so let's see. I think my stove must be lopsided or something. Either my stove is lopsided or my house is lopsided. I don't know which one it is. But, you know, that's how things go. Alrighty. Shrimp flipped. I need to cook a little bit longer, some of them. Okay, we'll come back when the shrimp are done. Okay, the shrimp are done. So I sprinkled them with some roasted garlic and herb sauce, seasoning, I mean. So they're pretty much done. So now what we need to do is take them out, and we're gonna do our scallions next. Not our scallions, our scallops. And do our scallops next. In the same grease, we're going to cook up our scallops. I'll put a little bit more butter in there. We're going to do our scallops the same way. You're going to grab the scallops. These are mini baby scallops. These are baby scallops, so I'm not going to cook all of them. It's probably half this bag. And this is a 8-ounce, how many ounces is this? This is a 4-ounce bag. I'll cook half of them. That's about how many I'm going to cook. Stir those around. These don't take long to cook at all. Like this left side of my skillet is cooking faster than my right side. Oh, by the way, I guess you guys noticed that I am left-handed. Southpaw. Yes. We make the best chefs. Even though I'm not a chef. All right, I'm gonna put seasoning on these as well. We're going to take the scallops out next. And guess what we're going to cook next? I was going to fry the lobster tails, but since this meal is looking so healthy, I'm just going to grill the lobster tails. So I'm going to go prepare the lobster tails and I'll be back. Okay, I don't know what happened to my video camera. It just went off, but I don't know where I left off at. But anyway, what I did was I added butter, heavy whipping cream, and the better than bouillon sauce that I had. So I'm gonna have to repeat myself because I don't know where I left off at filming. I took some of the garlic that was in the skillet and I put it in there to give it more flavor. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more roasted garlic seasoning to my skillet. That's gonna give it even more burst of flavor. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna stir this up. I also added the lump crab meat to the skillet. So we've got we've got scallops, baby scallops. We've got lump crab meat, and we've got shrimp in this mixture right here. So just gonna let it simmer for a little while, and then we're gonna prepare our plate. Okay, we're ready to plate this bad boy. So we're gonna take this pasta sauce and we're going to put it in our fettuccine, on top of our fettuccine. Take the seafood sauce and seafood, spread it on top like so. Try to grab some more shrimp. Now we're gonna grab some of this sauce, put it in there. Shrimp, some more scallops. I don't know why I keep saying scallops. Yeah, these are scallops. I'm getting scallops and scallions mixed up, which I'm gonna top it with some scallions. I just wanna make sure we get a lot of that sauce on there. Doesn't that look delicious? Yes, indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down right here on the stove. And we're gonna take our lobster tails. We're gonna put it on top, like so. This one on the other side, like so. You can see a little bit of everything on the plate. And we gotta decorate it with some parsley flakes. This wouldn't be right without the parsley. Okay, clean it up a little bit, and there you have it. Doesn't it look so good? I can't wait to dig in, dig in, dig in. Yes, 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 that looks so good. You like? I like. All right, I can't wait to dig into that. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Ta-da! And remember, as always, bon appetit!